Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Update Chrome OS and ensure Bluetooth is on, because outdated firmware often breaks codecs. Once done, fully charge and restart the headphones and the Chromebook to reset transient radio issues. This often restores clean audio. Next, remove the headset from Bluetooth settings and repair it to clear old profiles and force a fresh negotiation of codecs and sampling rates. Doing these first steps removes the most common causes quickly, so you can move to deeper fixes. Now focus on audio negotiation and interference. You need to select the A2DP high-quality audio profile in the Chrome OS Bluetooth audio settings because hands-free profiles compress and degrade sound. Also, make sure nearby 4 GHz Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth devices aren't causing interference. Once you identify congestion, switch the router to 5 GHz or change channels to reduce packet loss. If available, use Chromebook flags or extensions to prefer higher Bluetooth codecs, so the device and headset finish by balancing software and hardware levels. Set Chromebook output around 70 to 85% and then adjust headphone gain to avoid clipping or hiss. Once done, test the headphones with a wired cable or a different phone to isolate whether the Chromebook is the culprit. If problems persist, factory reset the headset and repair, because corrupted firmware settings can cause sustained poor quality. If you still hear issues, try one key troubleshooting tip. Temporarily disable Bluetooth audio enhancements or extensions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.